Okay, it's 2 o'clock now. Can you guys hear me? What's up? Hello, guys. Yep. You can hear me, cool. I tried to turn down the delay today, so I'm kind of interested in what the delay is. So like, type delay in chat right now. I want to see how quick it is. Huh, so that was like 4 to 5 seconds. So that's pretty good. It's pretty good. That means that I can, if you guys comment about something I'm doing right in the moment, I can talk about it quicker. So that'll be good. So yeah, how's the volume? How's the music volume? How's my volume? I think it should be good. It's the same as last time. Cool. Yeah, I'm still using Tom's networking solution. Yep. So today, we're just gonna continue working on the ship map because, as some of you know, we're gonna have a playtest soon, and I kind of want to get some more props in the map to actually, act as cover and make it look a little bit less plain. So I think today we're gonna keep modeling, hopefully get more done than we did last time. Yeah, you can post a link if you want in the chat. So yeah, let's switch over to my what you guys can see here. Okay. Idea for the game: add lots of ads. So you have to pay like $100 to get rid of it. I don't think very many people would want to play that game. Yeah. I have thought about a game before where like you had to like click on, you had to like dodge the ads, and if you accidentally clicked on one, then it would like play the ad. But I feel like there's probably some rules that you're not allowed to do that. So yeah, the first thing here, I'm just gonna commit what I've edited here since my last commit. I was working on Linux server build and shooting tweaks, so we're just gonna commit that because I'm gonna be doing modeling today, so I wanted to be in a different commit. So let's push that. It's 18 of you guys here. So hello to all of you. Okay, that's done. So let's start by actually looking where we left off last time. I actually added a little bit more to the ship map, so let's start the server here. Oh, apparently the server's already started. Cool. Boom. Okay, join, refresh, there we go. Here we are. Yeah. Let's go to the ship map. Let's make it a little bit longer here, 500. And I guess we can also look at the capture the flag game mode that I've worked on as well in the meantime. Ship. Is Tom's networking solution good for parented objects? I know Mir isn't very good with it. Yeah, I've heard about Rob's issues with that. Would you say it's easy to get into as well? So I guess the first part, parented objects. Yeah, it should be easy to parented objects because it's not like Mir where you have to have like a network identity. I think I've only used Unet, so I'm not 100% sure. But in anything that like moves, I think needs a network identity in Mir. And Tom's networking solution is it's different. It's like right now, I guess you could say like this gun is parented to me, and then I can drop it, right? And now it's not parented. So the short answer is yeah, you can do parenting because it's a custom solution. And you can do pretty much whatever you want. Is it easy to get into? You just got to learn the whole flow of sending packets, receiving packets, and once you understand that it's literally just sending data back and forth, it gets pretty easy. But like I said, it's not like Mir where you can just slap on a component and boom, the transforms are synced. You have to manually send the positions in a packet. So yeah, here's the ship map. Let's go look at what I worked on last time. Sorry, I got a little distracted there. Go down here. And yeah, so I want to say we made this engine room last time, but we really only started on it, and then we kind of ran out of time, or I needed a break. So, but yeah, it's changed a bit since last time. I think we had just modeled a barrel, but I placed some more barrels around here. Also, we modeled this console, and I added a little bit more to it. I made this like gauge and I don't know, this display of engineering stuff. I also added railings to the catwalks. I also added these pipes, I think, which weren't there last time. We're going to be adding a bunch of these pipes in the hallways today, I think, because I want these pipes running all through the hallways, because it really adds to it. And then the other thing you can see in here is this flag here. What team am I on? Oh, I'm on the red team, so I can't pick up this flag because it's my flag. So yeah, this is where one of the flags will be located on this map in the engine room for the red team. Now let's walk to the other side here while I read the chat. Really interested in trying out with some kind of project and then transferring it into my new one. Yeah, and Tom's working on a new networking solution. I think he's calling it Riptide, so you might want to maybe wait until he gets the tutorials out for that one. I'm not sure when he's going to get those tutorials out though. But it's supposed to be better. I've looked at it and it does look better. Wow, that looks nice, thanks. At first it was a bit overwhelmed, but now the networking solution is pretty easy to use. Yeah, once you understand the whole sending data back and forth, it gets really easy. And it's very customizable, like I said, because you know what's going on in the background. Unlike Mirror, a lot of things you don't know what's going on. Can I model something for you? I want to keep all the models in my game made by me. It's a solo project, and I enjoy modeling, so I'm gonna keep all the models made by me, at least for now. Code Steel Discord. Did you join my Discord, Code Steel? Link should be in the description of this live stream. Yeah. Cool. I'll check you out later. Okay, after the stream. Yeah, and then here we're in the other room here, which we're definitely gonna need to work on this today. The roof is definitely too low, so I think we gotta lower the floor like we did with the engine room. And yeah, you can see the blue flags in this room. And since we're on the red team, right? Well, that's the other thing I did. Now the scoreboard is different from the pause screen. So I was playing some other FPS games, and I noticed that, you know, you're usually able to run around while the scoreboard's up, so you can quickly check your score. So I did that. But yeah, let's pick up the blue flag here, and you'll see that I have the automatic rifle here in my hand, and when I pick it up here, it's gonna drop what's in my primary hand and then lock me to my primary hand with the flag. So now I can't. Right now I'm like moving my scroll wheel. I can't change what's in my hand. That way you can't shoot with the flag. This might change, but I feel like right now, if you're just able to run with the flag, you know, that's the point, right? You got to run and get it back to your flag. So let's run all the way back to our flag. How do you keep motivation for your game? Don't work on it. I don't work on it too much, so I work on it little by little, mainly because I have lots of other things. School. There you go. We just dropped it off, and now you can see there the score is 1 for red. Yep. And that's basically the game mode. Obviously they're shooting, and you want to protect your flag and keep people from getting it, and then also try and get the other team's flag. I think it would be better if you can shoot while you have the flag. Yeah, I was thinking about maybe only secondaries, but I might implement that later because that would require the flag being held in your left hand, and I didn't feel like doing that yet, so we'll see. I might experiment with that. We'll see how it goes in the playtest. How do you keep things organized because it gets messy and hectic? You gotta make sure that your code's organized. Doing things like object-oriented code makes future-proofing your code a lot better. Like my item system, I just converted to object-oriented. The game mode system is also object-oriented because, you know, there's gonna be multiple items, multiple game modes. So I want to be able to reuse code easily. Okay. So I'm just gonna edit the time on the server so the game ends, so I can show you that it says that the red team wins. Let's go into the server settings. Let's just teleport us to 10 seconds left on this round. Boom. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Red team wins. Woo! Holy, lots in the chat. Okay. Yeah, anyways, to keep it from getting hectic and messy, you just have to have good coding structure and good file structure, right? I have everything organized in my project for the most part. Needs Unity particle system and you after the flag. Yeah, I'm sure I'll tweak it. I'm sure I'll add more effects for sure. How am I doing it? Seems like every netcode base is different. I might do a coding stream eventually. I'm just a little bit hesitant on it because I don't know if my code is good or not, but I'm sure we'll do that. Can I make more tutorials, basically? Short answer is I don't have time. I made some Firebase tutorials because I felt like there was a shortage of tutorials out for it, and I feel like I should share what I know about it. Have you tried to test with people from other computers? Because yeah, I've tested with people from other computers, other networks too. Okay, let's get into Blender here. You just have to port forward. You have to know how to port forward to test with other networks. To play with other networks, sorry. Here's the ship map in Blender. And I guess I didn't show it in game here. Wait, let's turn off ship hull. So I actually off stream as well. Get out of here. I split this big room into two because it was way too long and big. So now I think we're gonna have. Sorry, this is the engine room back here. Right? This is gonna be the storage room. And this here, I was thinking was gonna be like the bunk room, but I think I split it into two now because we're gonna have, I think, bunk room and like a canteen or like kitchen cafeteria room. GitHub for this project. No, it's not this is not an open source project. So GitHub, there's GitHub for the networking solution, which you can get from Tom's channel. Can you test out the game? Yeah, join my Discord server. We're gonna have a play test very soon, I think. That's why we're trying to get some props placed in this map today, because this map is going to be in the playtest, and I don't think empty rooms like this will be very fun to play in. I wanted to make it look. I want to make it look more like what this engine room is. Still not. Oh, can't see. Still not finished, of course, but this engine room is. You know, it's prototype, I guess you could say. No textures yet, but the models are pretty much in their final state, at least initially. I'm sure I'll tweak it more. Okay, so which room should we start on? Should we start on the storage room, the bunk room, or the canteen? Benji Vibes, I have been summoned, has donated through the super chat. I turned it on for this stream because I wanted to see how it worked. So thank you, Benji Vibes, for the 2, I think those are pounds. Are those pounds or euros? Can you tell me if those are pounds or euros? Whoa. Oh, and we have a little thing pop up here on the stream. I forgot I set that up with the Streamlabs. I just came. I don't know what's happened. Can you give a quick summary about your game? Yeah. So I'm making a. You can check out the videos on my YouTube channel, but I'm making a multiplayer first-person game that's gonna have multiple game modes and teams. Right now, it's pretty much just a first-person shooter, but I hope to have other game modes like racing. Yeah, I'm not sure what else yet, but. Enable headless mode true. Enable headless mode true. I'm not sure what you talk about that. That's how you make it a server build. Yeah. Euros. You guys, it's euros? Cool. Add third person camera, please. Yeah, I've thought about that actually. Because I pretty much can, because all my animations happen when you're in first person still. Okay, what room should we work on? Kitchen, cafeteria, bunk room, or storage room? Let me know. Storage. Sounds like we're playing Among Us here. Storage. New window. Storage. Everybody's saying storage. Okay, yeah, it's a big room. Should I use AWS to host my Unity game server? I'm using Google Cloud host, but AWS, I've heard good things about it. It basically does the exact same thing. Another 2 euros. What the heck? Stop giving me. Thank you. Thank you, Benji. Do you use simulated machine for camera? No, it's just a regular camera. Aha, the little thing shows up. It even says, does it say what he said? I can't read it. I think it says like what he typed at the bottom there, right? Let's turn ship storage room. Okay, watch Among Us. storage room show up here when I search this. Okay, no, we're good. It's not what I'm looking for though. Like, I mean, like, kind of like this is what I'm. This looks like a freezer though. Oh wait, maybe not storage. Cargo. Cargo room. Below deck. Below deck. You're welcome. Benji with another €5. Thank you. Benji is the super chat champion now. That is not a cargo room. I don't know why that is showing up. Below deck. Oh, deck cargo room. Yeah, that's what I searched. What the heck should I search? Ship. Cargo bay? Maybe? I don't know. Might just be weighing what search interior. Interior. Oh, a magic word. Holy. There we go. This is getting better, but this is like a spaceship as well. Minecraft. This looks more spaceshipy. This is like old ship. This looks like it's from a video game. This looks spaceshipy. Dark green and blue boxes in the storage room. Those might be kind of vibrant. How many years am I doing uni in C#? I think it's about 6 or 7. I have a video on my YouTube channel about all the games I've made, pretty much all of them at least. These look like spaceships. I want like... Heck, how do you get a sea ship? You search for sea, I think so. Okay, I got better results before. Anyways. I think we might just be weighing this and not going off reference images because I'm not getting much. So, I'm thinking, first off, let's lower this floor. Let's get this floor lowered. What did I do on the other side there? I think I just extruded it. Yeah, just extruded it. And then I put these stairs. Let's grab these stairs. Grab these stairs. Boop, boop, boop. Control C. What is this part of? Part of ship inside. Duplicate. She did. Okay, let's bring these over here. How do I center? View. Line view. Do cursor. There we go. Okay. So, start with this door over here, I guess. And let's grab all these floor things and extrude it down. Boom. That's maybe a little bit too low. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Give me some flat with the door there. Okay, we got that door hooked up. Z180. Tornado. Could join long, looking nice. Hey, Tornado, what's up? That's okay. Duplicate it again. Throw it over here. Okay. So we got our 4 stairs. We got more headroom. Let's throw in a box just to try and get scale right here. So I'm gonna decide here. Should I place them in Unity or should I place them in Blender? I think I want to place them in Unity like I did with the barrels. So I'll just make one box. Add a cube. Where did that go? Oh shoot, it's because I'm in edit mode. Add cube. Scale down. Move her up. Punch it in the ground a little bit, not much. Okay, and we're gonna literally call this box. Cargo box? Cargo box. Oh. Benji again with €2 saying hi, Tornado. Crate. Yeah, we'll see what it turns into. I think I'm gonna have like a pallet underneath. I'm gonna make a pallet, and then we'll put like a bunch of boxes on top of the pallet, because that's kind of like how it is, right? Like usually are on pallets, so like forklifts can pick them up. Well, wouldn't it be cool if I made a forklift and put it in here? Then the question is, how the heck did the forklift get in here? Might have to make like a door here or something that like a crane lowered everything down in. We'll see. Let's just start with boxes to use as cover. But let's actually start with exporting this. File. Oh. Ship map. Where is ship map? Am I blind? Did I go in the wrong thing? I think I went in the wrong thing. Models. There we go. Yeah, I was in the wrong thing. I'm like, where the heck are these subfolders? Maps. Ship map. Container. Oh, no. Ship hull. Fly transform selected objects. Export. Let me go back in Unity here. Go to the ship scene. How did you make the terrain low poly? I mean, it's not really low poly. It's Unity's terrain. It's not loading. Oh, I am in the ship map. What the heck? Oh, I was in the UI. How do we turn that off? Turn off the UI. The light maps are gonna be all screwed up now. Yep, that's okay. Holy crap! Went way too fast. There we go. The floor is down lower again. Okay, and so the terrain is just Unity's terrain, and I made like some, my girlfriend made some textures that I use that counter our triangles, so it kind of makes it look low poly, but not really. See your code steal. Okay, so now I'll just quickly show you how I get. Actually, we need to export that box too. File, export, bx. Cargo box. Selected objects. Boom. Export. Unity. Models. Where is it here? Models, maps, ship map, cargo box. Boom, just like that. Materials, ship map, ship prototype. Throw it on there. There we go. So we can just try and figure out the scale here, how it's gonna work. Put the cargo box in here. Apply all. Okay, and so now how I get it over to the server is AWS is working. Cool, got it working. When the game will be finished, will it be possible to download it? Well, yeah. When it's finished, it'll be available. But there'll be a playtest very soon. Actually, I'm thinking like the next weekend maybe, or the weekend after. So join my Discord server and get the grab the playtester role to be notified about that. Okay, so now let me show you how I get the map from the client to the server with Tom's solution here, because there's actually two projects, right? I actually have another project here on my other screen. This is the server project, and then this here is the client project. So get out of materials here, go to prefabs, maps, ship map. Okay, and I right click on it, export package, boom, export. Then I go into my server assets, prefabs, maps, ship map, save. Yes, overwrite it. Then that's good. Now I can come and in my server project here, let's go to scenes, ship. Let's go to the room, this room, and let's go to prefabs, maps, ship map. Double click on it, import it, and there you go. It's updated on the server side. You can see our box here, you can see the stairs are here, you can see the floor is lower. And basically what that's done is now this is the collision. Otherwise, it'll look like the floor is lower, but you're really going to float because the collider is still the old model. So I usually do that after I've kind of added a bunch to the scene, right? And want to go play test with collisions. Otherwise, this would take a while, right? Okay, so let's actually scenes, lobby, start the server. Get back over here once it lets me. Back over here, and now I can sorry. Oh no, I was in the wrong scene. Shoot. Can you live stream the playtest? Probably not, because I'm going to be doing a bunch of other things, recording footage, and probably having to fix issues, because I doubt it's going to go perfectly fine. Do you know about Unity netcode? What do you mean by that? Unet? I've used Unet before. Hey Tom, how's it going? Add jets in the game, like fighter jets? Oh no, Unity editor. Well, that's nice. Did the server just crash or my client? Oh boy. Could not. Oh, this is this is Firebase, I think. It's broken. Yep. I updated to Unity 20.2 and it does crash sometimes. You play it. Which may be concerning, but we'll see. Loading. Yeah, so I think we're gonna add on to this here. We're gonna actually move this up and it's like duplicate this. How do pallets even work? I need to look up what a cargo pallet even looks like, but it's a bunch of boards, I basically think. Extrude. L. Recalculate normals, or else they're going to be all messed up. Loaded yet? Here we go. Please don't crash this time. I'm just going to restart the server just in case. Join. Refresh. Click. Didn't crash. Good. Okay. Slash map. Ship. Oop. Perfect. Spawn on the right side. And you can see the light maps are all messed up, but just ignore that. They're going to be messed up because baking them lags the stream. So yeah, we got our box here. Oh, I didn't turn on collision on the box. That's okay. But the stairs have collision. They're good. Yep. Okay, so, and I feel a lot less cramped with the height down here, so that's nice. So what we're going to do is we are going to put these on a pallet and put a bunch of boxes, and then we'll be able to place them around here as like cargo pallets. And we're going to need some other suggestions of what else to put in here for cargo, because I can't really find any reference images, so I need you guys' help. 21 viewers, Pog. Yep, that's Pog. What projects are you guys working on? You're obviously interested in game dev if you're here, so share what you're working on in the chat. Okay, Blender. Actually, no, what I wanted to do was cargo pallet. What does a cargo pallet look like? Yeah, it's just a bunch of boards like I thought. Okay, so there's 3 going this way, and then a bunch going that way. Okay, 150 bucks for a cargo pallet. I guess it's that much in wood. What just happened? Why? I'm trying to master Tom Whalen's tutorial. Nice. Once you master it, it's awesome. How much time have you have now? I don't understand what you're trying to say there. I don't think your first language is English. How much time you have? I'm working on vehicle physics asset. Cool. I've done that before. I made an asset package for low poly vehicles. That was a while back though. Okay. These actually need to be thinner. Individual origin scale on the X. Yeah. L. Rotate on Z. 90. Rotate on X. 90. Up we go. Okay. Now, rather than manually placing these, let's see if I can get a modifier working here. Add modifier. Ah, what is it? It is the array modifier. Yeah. Count. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Okay, wait. Oh, and it does it for... It does the whole object. Crap. That means I need to do this. L pairing selection. There we go. Okay, and I want to go not this way. I want to go this way maybe. 2, 3. No, wrong way. Sorry, right way, but other way. -1. And we want a little bit of offset here. Yeah, probably could have placed it by the time I finished doing this, but 7. I want to get better at using modifiers. 7, let's go 8. 8. Maybe turn this down a little bit. Sure. Now we should just be able to do apply. Oh, J. Yeah. Now we should be able to just, scale these on the L, scale on Y. Make one of these a little bit longer. Make this one a little bit shorter. The guy that made this pallet didn't cut the boards the correct length. All good. Boom, boom. Oh, you know what? This guy was not paying attention when he cut this board, so it's a little crooked. This guy either. Okay. That guy totally missed the line. Okay. Let's look at a reference here. What the heck am I looking at here? They have it on the bottom too? Ooh, crap. Sure, actually that was a good image. Oh man, I gotta delete some. They're not that much spaced out. Okay, let's only put a few on the bottom, but I gotta delete some. Actually, you know what I'll do? Boop. 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 Or no, move them down. Those will be our bottom ones right there. There we go, perfect. Coolidge. I think these need to be a little bit bigger, so let's do this. Hi. Google Translator. Google Translator doesn't always work good. I'm trying to make Notch's second Minecraft that I gave up on. What is that? I know he made he was trying to make like a space game or something. Turn off this X-ray thing. Up a bit. I love how I move my head when I'm modeling, like it's gonna help. Will stream be available later? Yeah. So you can either find it on my Discord or you can find it, there's a playlist on my YouTube channel of the streams. I leave them unlisted just because I don't want them to be in the normal video feed. But yeah, you can find them afterwards. We only have done one so far, so. Advanced Minecraft in space. Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about. I think I watched a video about it. Okay, let's make this 3 high. There you go, that looks like a bunch of boxes on a pallet, doesn't it? So let's rename this to cargo pallet Coolidge. Let's give it material here, prototype material. And UV cube projection. Coolidge. Please make space maps next. And by the way, you're cute. Emoji faces with characters. $5 from Jadalyn. Jadalyn's my girlfriend. Thank you. Yeah, I already read that. Okay, let's see how this looks in. So now, I was supposed to give you $20. Now you've given me $5. So who's winning now? Exactly what Tom said. File export. Palette. I am owed $25 now. Let's go open this in Unity. Hey Cubingle. What's up? If you don't know what we're talking about, the money, it's something we were talking about in my Discord server. Get out of here. You're the old box. Get out of here. You're open prefab. Get out of here. Let's make a new create empty cargo. Centered. Yep. Now let's go into where we just imported in models, maps, ship map, cargo palette, dropper in here. Okay, let's give it the prototype texture for now. Materials, ship map, prototype. There we go. Boom, cargo palette in. It's just the scale looks. I feel like it needs to be bigger, but let's just. That's pretty good size too. It like lines up perfectly with the snap. Wow, it lines up perfectly with the snap pretty much. Rotate this. Oh, it doesn't line up that way. Oh, it's off. Okay, I gotta center it in Blender. I think. Yeah, it needs centered in Blender. Okay. Anyways, let's just see what this looks like. There's not going to be collision, but let's just see how this looks like. Slash map ship slash fly. Let's get over there real quick. I need to make a no clip admin command to it, I think, to make getting around easier. Slash fly. Okay, yeah, so I think they need to be just scaled up, like how those are bright. I think I'm just gonna turn these lights off for now. Also, I should probably do this so you guys can see it better. Maybe those are okay scale. I think they need to be bigger. I'm just trying to imagine forklift scale. I think I gotta make them a little bit bigger. But those are good. They give good cover. Like I could... Oh, shoot. Just give one. Like I could definitely like... Yeah. Hide behind these. A little bit bigger. Yeah, it looks a bit small. I agree. Let's get rid of these lights while we're testing here, because the light isn't baked and they're just too bright. Ship. Oh boy, I started the game again. He does lag a little bit while I'm streaming. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. Come here. These lights are definitely too bright. Gonna have to redo the lighting in this room for sure. Bye bye. Let's turn them off for now. Okay. Let's make them bigger. What is this? Whoa. Bigger and needs to be centered. So let's do this here, right? Boom. Now the rotation should be good. Now I really like that I can like they're the perfect size to what's the word? Use control click to snap them to the grid right now, which kind of sucks that I'm about to make them bigger, but well, rip. Just scale it up. Also, this board looks like it needs to be centered a little bit better. Close to twice as big in my opinion. These things are usually really big. But the pallet, it usually is 2 forks, right? Yeah, you know what? Let's just end this scale problem. Human beside cargo pallet. Yeah, like right there, this dude. This is like half his size in terms of, these are obviously smaller boxes, but I want like, I got like nothing. Cargo pallet. Scale. I just want a human and a cargo pallet in the same image. That is not a cargo pallet. That's like a... Yeah, I'd say the scale's about right. I mean, it depends on the cargo pallet size, but that looks right to me. When you bite your cheek and then it swells, so you bite it again and again. What? Implement peaking? Oh, you mean like this? Like in Rainbow Six Siege? Maybe. Biting my cheek? Is that what you're talking about, Tom? Oh yeah, it's definitely happened where then it's big and then you hit it again. Definitely. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I think I was confused at first. Yeah, this is the FPS game. We're modeling a ship map. There'll be another update video soon, hopefully. I just have to edit. I have kind of a script already kind of planned out, but I gotta edit. And I decided to stream instead of spending the afternoon editing, I guess you could say. And because I want to playtest soon and I still need to get some stuff done. Okay. File. Export FBX. Cargo pallet. Export. Unity. There you go. They're going to be all inside each other, but... Coolidge. Also, these would definitely be like facing this way. Because the forklift would have to drive in and pick them up, right? Okay, I need ideas for other things that would be in a that would be in a storage room on a ship. Forklift, yeah, I think I said that before you said on the stream. I definitely think we should have a forklift in here to move them around, right? And then I think we're actually gonna make like a bay door here. Obviously it won't be open, but pretend like once they take these containers off, there'll be like a bay door here where they lowered in the cargo, right? Let's actually kind of maybe make that. But let's just boom. Do this. Oh, is it not gonna let me? Let's turn off this hull. Yeah, let's say like right here to, let's say this area right here, literally right here. Say. Oh crap! Extrude scale. Yeah, like right. Scale on the Y. Yeah. Extrude up. This right here is the cargo door. I don't know, something like that. And I'll make something on the top maybe too. Just thinking here. Now did this interfere with the ship hull? Amazingly not. Nice. Okay, so that's our cargo door. Are you gonna release this game? If it gets in a state where I can release it, yeah. Okay, and, any other ideas? Tom says forklift. Make a forklift, I guess. Although I feel like that'll take a little bit. Boy, that really messed the light map, but there you go. There's our door. Let's maybe keep it clear then. Door. Anti-aircraft guns? This isn't a military ship. Fishies. Fishies. What do you mean by fishies? Like food? Do a model tutorial? There's tons of those on YouTube. I don't personally have time in that, and I feel like there's tons of those on YouTube, so I don't think I should spend my time doing that. No, Put fish in the water and dead fish on the boat. Oh, yeah, like fish. Yeah, maybe. Shark. I definitely need to make the water more interesting. Like add waves. Fish. We can put fish in the water. Dead fish on the boat. Yeah, shark. Okay. Okay, but thinking like, what other? Okay, what's that? I think we want to make like tank. Is this gonna give me what I want? Yeah, I want to make one of these now. Like these things that hold water, or technically, I guess they could hold fish. Not this one. Maybe like this style. Let's make one of these though. This is like a liquid cargo thing. So, yeah, let's make one of these things. Get out of here. Add mesh cube tank pallet. Tank pallet? Yeah. Where's the bevel shortcut again? Alt B? Nope. Control B? Yep. Not sure if all sides should be beveled. Yeah, pretty much all sides are beveled. Frame of some sort then on the bottom. Add cube, scalar down. Yeah, what am I trying to do here? Why don't I use Pro Builder? I don't know, I like just using Blender better. I find Pro Builder kind of clunky. You can't like do like you can't. I don't know. It's harder to model, in my opinion, with Pro Builder. I find Blender just much easier. I kind of have a workflow now too, which works good. So I use Blender. Turn off this. Bye bye. I guess we should need to see how low it needs to go. About there. Nope, not that easy. Delete all these crap. Delete all these faces. Boom, boom. Up, boom, 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 boom. Delete faces. See, like you could not do stuff like this with Pro Builder. This is not possible to like do. I don't know. It may be, but I don't know how to do it properly. I tried it before. Blender better for modeling. Yep, definitely. Much better, much more control. It's an awesome, free to use tool. It's got everything in it. Blender is a game engine, also, by the way. It's not really the best one. That's why nobody uses it. But yeah, it is a game engine. It's got lots of stuff. But it really shines with the modeling. Yeah, definitely. Okay. That kind of looks like what we're trying to do. It's either watching this or playing Robo Royale. It's a hard choice. Oh, you can go play Robo Royale. I don't mind. Watch this. Yeah, watch this. Well, apparently you guys want him to watch this. Thank you. What the heck am I doing here? Okay, so okay, now those things. Now there's one that looks like goes down the middle here as well. Shoot. That did not go the way I thought it would. Why is it not? Okay, we're gonna screw the one in the middle, I think. Maybe this. We'll do this in the middle. Ah, get back into the mode. Control R. Loop cut. Come on, Control R. Loop cut. There we go. Select this. Select this. Scale on the Y. And now grab two faces. Get out of this mode. Delete faces. And let's fill them in. Okay. Filled in. Coolidge. Let's actually recalculate all the normals. Okay. Now there's like a spout here, definitely. So let's like add the spout here. Add cylinder with like 6 sides, low pulley. Scale her down. Rotate on the Y, 90. Scale her on the best guy. Look at a reference image. Whoa. Yep. Okay. Just looks like a nub coming out, basically. Like a handle on top. Sure, let's do that. Whoa. Blender, not Unity. Actually a lot smaller. Control R. Get the knuff. And just put these in the same height here. Get this out of the way for a minute. The knife. Where is it? The knife. No. Knife. Just like that. And let's just center these guys. Local. 0. 0 and 0. 0. There we go. Now we can go like this. Grab this guy here and like do that little maneuver. So it looks like it's kind of like spouting out. Now what is going on? It's like got like a cap on it. So let's just like do this. Extrude, scale, and extrude. There we go. Coolidge. There we go. And now, how old am I? I'm currently 19, almost 20. Which is hard to believe, I'm already almost 20. Where'd our music go? There we go. Okay, we got some of these metal thingies. That are holding in the tank here. So let's just add cube. Scale her down like crazy. Scale Z. Up. Scale down more. Hey, Noto Predator? I think I said that right. Right, if I didn't. What's up? You doing this full time? Heck no. I'm a full time university student. If I was doing this full time, there'd be more frequent videos. But no, I just do this as a hobby. Just in a little bit every night, sometimes a little bit longer on the weekends. Just a side project. That's why I'm not too serious about it. There we go. That's looking good. It's looking good. What do you guys think of this? Suggestions? You gotta get the thing around the top. And maybe we'll put like one around the side. Actually do it properly here and not just make a whole bunch of little objects. Let's actually extrude. Do this. There we go. Same thing with the other side here. Extrude. Now let's go 3. Grab these 2 bad boys, 3. And extrude. Line it up. Extrude. And let's then delete these 2 bad boy faces here. Faces. And let's connect these guys up. Oh. Boom, boom. And boom, boom. Recalculate normals. There we go. Now I should be able to just do this. Shift D, yoink. Shift D and yoink. There we go. Hopefully the materials don't flicker here. I guess we'll figure that out in a minute. What do the top of these look like? Are they open like this? There's one going across the middle. Oh, and there's like a thingy above as well. Shift D, rotate on the Y, 90. Oh shoot. Go. there's like a nozzle on the top as well. So let's just duplicate this. Up here, rotate on the Y 90 degrees. And it's on the same side of this, so this actually rotate on Z 90 degrees. Shove it in, scale it on this. There you go. Call that good. There you go, there's our liquid container thingy mabob. Coolidge. Okay, tank pallet. Export this bad boy. Export. Cargo pallet. Let's do tank pallet. Export. File. And our models here. Maps. Ship map. Delete cargo box. That was just a test. Oh boy. We need to go and fix the normals because they are all screwed up. I think. What the heck? It's like invisible. Recalculate normals. UV. Q projection. Prototype material. Now let's go try and do it. File. Export. FBX. Tank palette. There we go. That's better. Get the material on here. Materials. There we go. Now we got a tank palette. Figure out where exactly I'm going to place these in here. So the flag's right here, right? I think. So we definitely need some cover around the flag. So like this thing here. Place some like. Whoa, that was way too far. Place some over here. Who disliked this video? Not cool, man. Oh, we got we got a dislike? Dang, they must not like my modeling. That's okay. Nice, says the gaming dude. Yeah, I think these look cool, and these ones, as plain as they are, they work. Cargo pallets. Okay, so let's make this one more wide so we don't have a straight shot line of. See, I don't want a line of sight straight from here to that door. So actually, let's move it like this. Yeah, so that keeps a straight shot line of sight not a thing. Right? To that doorway. Shoot, it is a little bit high. I might place some boxes up here. Because we don't want a straight shot line of sight to that doorway. Don't worry, I hope this makes you feel better. Says Benji with another super chat. €2. Why are you giving me so many euros? I don't even know how much a euro is worth in Canadian dollars. How much is €1 in Canadian dollars? $1.68 Canadian dollars. Oh, so it's pretty much just $2. Cool. Well, thanks for all these super chats, Benji. Are you in my Discord server, Benji? I think so. You want all the donos? Make up my $25. Holy, a bunch of people have joined the Discord server. Holy. Code Steel, Phoenix, Hot Dog. Holy, lots of people. Obviously, they're seeing the. Thanks for Jip Jap for welcoming them all. Holy cow, there's a lot of people here. Everyone. Yeah, join the Discord server. Link in the description right now. Especially if you want to playtest. Pick up the playtester role. Yeah, a bunch of people picked up the playtester role. Also pick up the live stream role to be notified. Ash just joined the Discord server. Welcome. Ash Dev. Okay. I want to add these bad boys to this room as well. These support thingies. Don't want that. This thingy. There we go. Because it just makes it look more like a ship. Like when I googled like ship interior, I was playing GTA 5 the other day, and there's like a sub or something. I was playing with my brother, and he's like, "Hurry up, help me with the mission," and I'm just walking around the sub looking at the interior of the ship. I don't want spaceship interior. I want what do you search? Submarine interior. Yeah, here we go. And like, there's definitely terrible images. There's lots of pipes in the interiors. Then there's also like support in the walls. These are not good examples. Ships are usually jam-packed with stuff. Especially submarines. Anyways. Yeah, I want to get these things in here like I did with the other one. Eyeball it. I like eyeballing things when modeling. Who cares? Adds character, right? Whoever built this ship didn't use a tape measure. Uh, 180. Oh, that's not what I want. X. What is the time here? 3:22. I'm in EST time zone. You know what? This is gonna mess up my cargo placement on the walls. I just realized. So I have to fix it. Ah, shoot. Good old eyeball. That's about right. And we actually want those just to the other side. Shift D. Outside. You're an engineer and the structural bearing framework will work fine. Good. So the ship won't completely get destroyed. Will it bear the load of all the cargo containers that are on the deck? I hope so. You're not actually a very good engineer. What type of engineer are you? Or are you not actually an engineer? You're just joking. I'm studying software engineering in school. University. Stretch. Let's snag some pipes from over here too. See, once you get one room done, I can snag stuff from the other room, so that's kind of nice. Come on. Line up, please. Holy, we're like inside the objects. Here we go. I want this. I want this, I want that. 50. Move them down here. Bring me back to this room here. Man, it's like they're already lined up for me. Oh yeah, there's a pipe coming down from the door. Okay, pipe lined up there. What's happening with this pipe over here? Yeah, this pipe right here. I want this. Bloop. Bring this pipe over here. Bring it down. Oh, you're an electrical engineer? I build power plants? That's cool, that's cool. Game dev is much less boring. Really? Yeah, the math and stuff of engineering is kind of boring, to be honest. But I've only been in school for it, so I wouldn't know the actual job. Shoot. Benji says, another €2. The whole Discord server is here. Zippy racking and cash here. Yeah, like what the heck, Benji? Tom, you should stream. maybe Benji will throw euros at you. Thank you for another €2. Pog. Yes. Okay. You're just different, you know? Do you want all your €2 back? I can get them back if you want. Okay, those are cool pipes. Yeah. Where does it go? Where does it end, actually? Oh boy, how are we gonna... Ooh, what are we gonna do about this? Okay, so... Ooh, what are we gonna do about this? Let's just say, oh, it comes over here. And then... Don't refund it, keep it. That's the point of donation. Yeah, but you're doing it so much. I don't know why. Holy guy comes on screen. Well, yeah, I know. I forgot I set those up. It's cool though. You know, you never know a good way to make these pipes, but I'm gonna try a different method here. I'm gonna just do this, and then try this. See how this method works. 3. Turn it on. And then just try and like do, oh boy, that doesn't look too good. Try like this. There's definitely like a modifier that could probably help me with this. That does not look right. How much does YouTube take from super chats? Good question. I don't know. I literally just turned it on. So we're about to find out. Why does that look so bad? I've done it before with the other pipes. What did I do? I don't know. Control. I did too much. Delete. Basics. Delete. Proceed. Make a line following the pipe path. Bevel the edges. Whoa. Then thicken it. Yeah, but I already have a pipe started here, so how would I curve it from this pipe started? I know about the line thing, but like, that seems like a pain to set up. They take 30%, Jadelyn says. Thank you. 30%. Yeah. It's not too bad, but yeah, it's still a lot. Because like, something like, does PayPal take, or not PayPal, or does Patreon, how much does Patreon take? Or what does Tom use? I forget what it's called, the coffee thing. How much does it take? Everyone takes 30%? Twitch takes 30%? Yeah, it depends on your membership level for Patreon. Extrude / rotate over and over. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Because I tried to do something different there and it didn't work. 30 degrees. 30. Rotate on the X. 30. Yeah, this is the method. Rotate on the X. Okay, 30. You just do 3 negative 30s. That didn't go a perfect 90 degrees. 3 negative 30 should have been 90 degrees. That's weird. And maybe not go negative 30 with the first one. I don't know. Anyways, who cares? Another €2. Ko-fi, that's what it's called. Doesn't charge fees. It goes straight through PayPal, but for monthly donations, you need Ko-fi Gold, which is how they make their money. Okay, that's kind of nice. So for straight donations, they don't take anything, but for their monthly thing, they do. 35 cents of €2. Yeah, I know PayPal charges a little bit, but they're pretty good, I think. They don't charge much. Okay. There you go, we got this pipe. Here, going around. What the heck am I doing here? 30. Yeah, 30. There we go. That was harder than it needed to be. I'm literally just gonna do this. D 180. See how funny this looks. Never mind. Let's just make them both go right into the roof. Get out of here. Pretend you didn't see that. No, question mark? Yeah, no. How did you get the money to Super Chat? Did you like a card or PayPal? I'm assuming it's actually just gonna go toward my like YouTube balance. I don't know, I literally just got monetized like a month ago, so I don't really know how it works. I'm assuming it's going to my YouTube balance, and then once I get to, I think the minimum is $100, then it charges to whatever you set up with it, and I think I just set up my, I'm not even sure what I set up. Anyways, it goes to like your YouTube income balance, and then you can check that out eventually. But I wouldn't know because I haven't made enough money, and probably won't for a little while. So yeah. Yeah, let's just make them go into the roof like that. There you go. That was a long time working on that little pipe. But yeah, where's that other pipe? Over here. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. This pipe here. Yeah, I really liked how this one turned. This one. Let's get another one of those. Let's throw it over here. But rotate it on a Z 180. We're gonna make it go literally right beside the door over here. Okay. Like that, yep. And let's bring this guy in. Doesn't need to be that far out. Yoink. Oh boy, I didn't get all the edges. Now, select everything and let's go see how it looks in Unity. Lighting makes it hard to see, but okay, we got a pipe there, we got pipes going here. Going up into the roof there, that looks cool. Yeah, these rivets really make this look like a room and not just like a box. AdSense balance, yeah, that's what I was talking about. Adds to your AdSense balance. Have I got Instagram? Yeah. It's my same username. You can search on my Instagram. You can see what I look like in real life. I made some interesting videos on there. I don't post game dev content on there. I don't really post anything anymore, really. TikTok kind of stole my video style. Zippy Musk. Your mom would kill you if you donate 90 euros. Yeah, don't donate 90 euros. I'm good. Use spin tool. I think I might have used that before. I think I know what you're talking about. Okay, wait. Let's turn off this hull. Let's just practice right here with this little end here. Spin tool. This thing, right? Yeah. How does it work though? What the heck just happened? Zippy Must does not need donations. Yeah, you don't have to if you don't like. No. Donate 85. I think you need to move the origin. Oh, does it revolve around where the origin is? Oh, wait. Okay, get out of the spin tool. Like the cursor, I mean, not the origin. So like if I do this and I do spin. Here, Tom, use the app already, Zippy. What? 10 euros? What do you mean? Use app already, Zippy. Investing app that you do? Yeah, I've seen you talking about that in the your finance channel. YouTube donation doesn't allow me to rickroll. Origin on the inside edge of the curve you're making, maybe. Okay, wait. We're gonna keep trying this until we get it. So I put the origin like here. I also want to curve up. How do I curve up? Okay, wait, origin here. Shift S. So I want to curve this up. How do I curve it? Oh, here we go. Here we go. And steps. I want 4 steps. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Ash. Ash is a Blender genius. And Tornado also helped me here. Zippy, try setting the origin to the top vertex. Yes, that is beautiful. I agree. But then, can I like hold control this? Oh, I can. Is that like a perfectly 90 degrees? I think so. Yes, it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now, but what happened? What if I don't want it a perfect? I think I have to go like extrude on the X 1. Well, not 1. 0.1, and then what did I just do? Extrude on the X 0.1, and then G on the Z 0.1. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set this as my cursor. Just delete that vertice. And now, the heck out of this. Now, spin tool. Oh, but it does this. Why is it doing that? Okay, so you can't do that. Like, okay, so it has its limitations. I think. Because, like, what if I wanted to do around this spot all the way up to, like, here? Benji's gotta go. Bye. Thank you for all the euros. I don't know. Thanks for all the donations. Try having it above, but not in front. Okay, I think I see what you mean. So, just up. Like this. If I want to go extrude on the Z, 0.1. You're welcome from Benji. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I am welcome. Now, S. Boom. And like this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Control. There we go. Problem solved. No, just guessing. That's awesome. I've totally used this before, making like roads or something, but I forgot about it. This man has too many euros? Yeah, he does. But thank you. Appreciated. Okay. That was a good demo. We learned. Now let's use it to actually make some actual pipes. Actually, let's go place some... Let's go fix the placement of these, because they're going to be like this. Yep. Oh boy. Can we even fit 2 in between these? Oh no. What am I going to do now? Okay, we gotta space these out more. Let's just delete every other one. We want the end ones though. Okay, wait, delete. Vertices. Eyeball it. Let's delete this one. Oh. Delete. Vertices. Did I delete too many? No, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's good. Space them out a little bit more. There we go. Export this again. There we go. Now we got some space to actually place these up against the wall. This man is just throwing euros with every message. Yeah, I know. Like, what the heck? I guess this will be like little cover spots, little hidey holes. Cool. That one lined up much more better. Little hidey hole here. Pew pew. Cool. We got these guys, which just space out a little bit more here. Also, you can put some barrels back in here too. What the heck? You could definitely just put barrels in this room here. Ship map. Oil drums. Duplicate this guy. That's a rotated one. Let's not get a rotated one. This one. Go to global position. Got the barrels in here. Oil drums, whatever you want to call them. And oh, this reminds me, we gotta turn on the colliders for these guys. Models. Props. Oh no, this is a value map. Ship map. Wheel drum. These guys need generate colliders on. Generate light map UVs. They need to be on as well, or else the light map stuff won't work properly. Okay. Some rotation. Coolidge, rotate. There we go. We got some oil drums in the corner there. Collider looks wrong at the top. What? Crap. Let's go through all these. What do you mean by the top? Top side of the barrels. Looks right to me. It's not perfect, but that's because I have the convex turned on. It doesn't need to be perfect. This looks good. Nobody's going to be shooting through those little holes. That's fine. That's all good, I think. Do you agree that the barrels collider looks fine? Or did a little bit of weird calculation here, but we all now know exactly what to shoot through. Well, these are the client side colliders, so I might switch it up on you on the server. No, I'll probably keep the collision the exact same. But yeah, like you'll be able to shoot through these little itty bitty cracks. But these ones you won't be able to. These ones you will, but those ones you won't. Okay, so we got cargo over there. I think this needs to be like this is open here because this is where the flag is and the cargo door. Okay, so now I got these boxes here. Bring these closer together. And let's... You're excited for the playtest? Yeah, I have a feeling the virtual machine, I'm gonna have to up the power because I've been testing it and it's kind of laggy. Although I'm not sure if that's... I think it's the power of the machine because I got a pretty low power one, but because like we want to test how how much Tom's networking solution can take, but it's really hard to do because it could just be the machine that's the reason why it's bottlenecking, right? I guess how efficient his code is, but the problem is also I've changed it a lot, so it's not directly all his stuff anymore, right? So it could be stuff that I've coded that's made it slower. Wait, what's slow? I was just testing with like 2 players with my cloud hosted server, and there is like 100 ping delay when shooting. I have a feeling that's because I'm sending way too many TCPs when shooting, so I'll probably have to change the way I'm doing it. But yeah, I do get pretty high ping when doing certain things. But that could just be the virtual machine because the CPU does spike on the virtual machine when doing more intensive things. So I have a feeling it has nothing to do with the networking solution and just more to do with the virtual machine. But when we do play test, we'll be able to figure that out. And I'm gonna slowly up the power on the virtual machine to see how powerful of one we need. ping might just be well, when just moving around, like the UDP packets, the ping's fine. It's between 30 and 60. I have a feeling it's not the networking, and I more have a feeling because the Google Cloud, they have like high-end networking. I have a feeling it has something to do with what I'm doing on the server for the shooting calculations. Takes a bit of time to calculate it and then send it back. But that's what the playtest for. Our UDP should fix that, yeah. I guess speaking of that is TCP is slower. Pretty sure ping is usually calculated through UDP packets. I don't know, what is my ping system using? I'm using a TCP for the ping. For the pong back from the ping. I made my own ping system though, so. Sends a message to check if they're still there before sending the payload, yeah. But the ping only spikes when I start shooting. Can't remember. That's okay. Anyways, speaking of networking solution, I'm going to be trying to switch to Tom's new Riptide soon after the playtest. I'm going to wait until after the playtest because I'm not tearing apart the code until then. Yeah, so I think what's going on is the calculations on the server. Oh yeah, but the ping should be independent to the actual shooting. I don't know why the ping spikes when I shoot. I don't know. Okay, let's get some more of these water ones. Actually, just get another row of these. Oh, here we go. File. Okay, so we have a bunch of these. No. I'm streaming right now. My brother just came in. Okay. This is a pathway here to over here. This is a pathway here. And a pathway here. Yeah, I think that's good. Let's figure out what else we can put in here. That. Sorry, I'm just looking around. Okay. Actually, I'll show you my Trello board here. Let's get my shooting Trello board open here. Oh, hey Ben, are you watching? I'm making a first-person game. Okay. I was gonna show you my Trello board, wasn't I? Where the heck is it? Yeah, so the first thing on the agenda, I'm calling the playtest 0.1, and then 0.2 is gonna be after the playtest. And first on the agenda is update to Riptide, which is Tom's new networking solution. And that's gonna be big. I've already looked at it with Tom, and there's a lot of work, but I think that's a good thing to do while I'm also focused on school. I won't get much content done, but I'll be, working on this every night, little by little. Mouse input button. By the way, this purple means rework. So technically, that's a networking solution rework or update. Mouse input. The way I'm doing it right now is terrible. I basically hard coded it for only shooting guns, so I gotta make it universal, so that my object-oriented items can, just easily get mouse input. I don't know how to explain it very well. And then, as well as shooting in the recoil system right now is hard-coded in my camera script, or the recoil is hard-coded in the camera script, which is not good because not everything has recoil. I need to move that into the items. And then the shooting, it kind of mixes in with the mouse input problem. Is right now the shooting is in like my player script, which it should not be. It should be in like the weapon script. Your input management overall is absolutely garbage. Yeah, right now for like movement, I'm still using your like Boolean input management, like where you just send an array of bools. But I need to figure out something for the mouse. I think I'm just gonna send possibly 2 bools and then check if the last time that it was sent, if it was false and this time it's true, then it's just been clicked. But I don't know, I gotta think about that. Bullet holes, that's an easy one. I literally have Rug's video in here because I'm pretty much gonna do what he does. Barricade and breach is gonna be the next game mode. It's basically just like it's kind of like Rainbow Six Siege style, kind of. One person's inside the building, kind of defending, and the other team's attacking. And a melee system, which this is more going to be like just adding melee items, because this kind of just should work with the item system pretty easy. You just gotta add an item and then make certain things for the melee. What I do is I have a parent camera which gets affected by recoil. This means your camera is still movable completely normally, but recoil is layered on top. So you move the parent with the recoil, and then the camera is a child of that parent. Okay. Are you going to code? Not today. But in a future stream, probably, yeah. I'm just a little bit hesitant because my code is not state of the art. Will you switch to Unity networking solution when it comes? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how good it is, if it ever comes. Probably not, because it'll be a pain to switch everything. And Tom's works perfectly fine, as far as I know, from my testing. You were getting weird errors with the bool inputs. Said it was out of the array, and even though it wasn't definitely in the bounds. Yeah, you need to do some debugging, print the array, try and figure out what is actually being sent. Make sure, I think you obviously know that array starts at 0, not 1. Okay. So yeah, that's my Trello board. Currently developing the ship map. Upcoming feature ideas. yeah, bugs, stuff like that. Haven't really touched a lot of this. Okay, back to this. I think we pretty much have the cargo room. I'm just gonna place more of these things off camera, I think. Except for, I think Tom said forklift and I said forklift, so let's make a forklift. I think that'll, we'll do that. Let's try and get her done in the next 30 minutes maybe. Let's set a goal for ourselves. So, let's see here. Forklift. How did I get in the ship? It get in the ship. How did it get in the ship? Yeah, the stuff, the cargo, right here through this door, which only has a bottom right now. I'll make a top. What the heck? The ship's invisible. Why is that? Sorry, I'm just confused here for a minute. Why is the ship invisible? Yeah, that's okay. You missed it. Okay, sorry. I'm just confused for a minute here. Why is the ship invisible? Ship hull. I am just confused here. Recalculate normals. Recalculate normals. File. Export FBX. Export. Okay, somehow I flipped the normals. Somehow. I don't know how. It's fixed. Calm down. We're good. For a second there, we had an invisible ship. Invert normals. Yep, exactly, tornado. Yeah, I know. Why is there one dislike? What the heck? Somebody doesn't like my modeling. Did you do something? Yeah, I must have accidentally inverted the normal somehow. Okay, what am I doing? Forklift. Getting distracted. I set myself like a 30-minute goal. I'm already failing. Cargo. Yeah, so we gotta make this the cargo bay on the top too. I don't know. I'll figure that out. We'll just pretend the door will never be open, but we'll just pretend there's a door there. I'll make one on the top, but obviously it'll be half covered by the containers or something like that. Okay, forklift. Okay, wait. Yeah, let's make like an actual rideable forklift. I was thinking about just maybe we'll make one of. I might make one of these too, but let's just make like a little simple forklift. Okay, so they have. Should we make a 4-wheel forklift? Excuse me. What did I write? Fork shift. Blueprint. Oh no, not blue safety lights. Blueprint. Boom, just like that. I love these perfect blueprint thingies. Just grab this. Save image as. Just go right into our data blender. The game. Okay. Fork. Left. Save. Get out of here. File. Oh, how the heck do you do this? I forget. Reference. Here we go. Forklift. Open. There you go. Whoa. Zero. Whoa, not like that. Dude. I haven't modeled with reference in a while, so there we go. Scale it up a bit. Get up a bit more. This is gonna be a tight squeeze for this forklift. About there. Okay. Okay. Cube. Add. Mesh. Cube. Turn off ship stuff. X. Turn off all the rest of this stuff here. Okie doke. That's lined up pretty good. I have to cut out the windows here, but I'll get to that. S plus Z plus 0, that part. There's already technically cars in the game, they're just not drivable. Whoa. I made model kind of weird, but I don't know, it works. Cars that you can drive. Yeah, I do kind of want to have like some racing game modes eventually. Very patient because it's slow progress. Okay, there's our rough shape. The heck did that yikes, that didn't go through. Let's mirror this bad boy. Lead vertices. Modifier. Add modifier. Mirror. Oh, that way. On the Y? Yeah, there we go. Boy, that did not work out properly there. Maybe that's okay. Maybe that actually might be okay. That doesn't work out too well. Oh, maybe not. That I didn't do the inside. That's okay. Require a bigger map. Yeah, some type of racing map probably. Hey Zach. Hey, can't say your name. SYK. I have a lot of errors in my uni project. Really demotivates me. It's like a problem. You gotta solve the problem. You gotta fix the errors. Google's probably your best bet. Make sure you read the error carefully because usually the solution's right in the error. Add Easter eggs in the big map. Definitely, I like adding Easter eggs. Part of the fun's fixing the errors. Yeah, it's like a problem. You gotta solve it. Actually, I'm okay that the interior didn't copy over because I'm gonna redo that to look differently. It's like I want to go like this. Why? That should come up like this. And then extrude over to 0, 0. Something like that. Coolidge. Extrude on the X. Up there. Extrude on the X. Right about there. Something like that. Okay, this forklift's coming along. They always look dumb when I start modeling, but then they usually turn out. So I just gotta believe in myself. Same with you. If you're modeling, it always starts with a cube, right? So you just gotta keep going. It always starts as an ugly cube, and you just keep going, and eventually it looks like some. Especially when you have like a reference image like this, you can't go wrong. You just keep at it, and eventually you'll get something that looks decent. Why? Okay. It's looking good. It's looking low poly, definitely, but that's what we want. Yeah, a little bit more bevel here. And you know what? This is right now going all the way through, so we don't want that. We want it to, you know, do this. Boom. And we want to get rid of all these bad boys. Bye-bye. Leave vertices. Fill it in. Boom. And bring you in. There you go. Slap a wheel in there. Eventually. Nice car. It's a forklift, but yeah, close enough. Oh no. Four wheels and drives. So yeah, it's technically a car. With forks on the front, so. Okay. Okay. This face is too weird shaped. Like this instead. Okay. Now let's extrude this in here on the Y. The same inward as this. And then fill this bad boy in. Fill this bad boy. Extrude this over. Extrude on the Y. Do the same thing as this. Paste there. Boom, boom. Extrude this over on the Y all the way to 0. Boom, boom, boom. And this can just get closed off here. This closed off there. Extrude this on the Y all the way to 0. There we go. It's closed up on the inside. That's looking like a forklift general layout. Did you know the snapping tool is very useful? Click the magnet at the very top, middle, and then select the measurement for it to the vertex. How does it work? Okay. Increment. Yeah, that's an increment. How do I? Oh. Okay. What would that be useful though for? I guess just like if you want things to line up perfectly. Only snaps along that axis now. Okay. I'd see these tools are definitely useful for like precise, realistic models for sure. I do like just winging a lot with low pulley, but yeah, I could see that coming to use still with low pulley. Okay, let's get this forklift thing going. Oh boy, okay, so it actually, this thing does not really go like this. Okay, I gotta turn the snapping off. It is cool though. For example, yeah, like precision. Yeah. Back, how's it going? Good. Working on forklift here. Probably be the last thing we work on for today. See a 3D image. Okay. Let's get these forks on here. This one's actually got it see-through in the middle, so yeah, that makes sense because they need to see what the heck they're working on. Just plane out of here now. Delete this. Faces. Move the forklift. Are you going to use a separate object or shape keys? What do you mean Oh, move the forklift up and down? Probably separate object. But, yeah, separate object. But you're not gonna be able to drive it right now. That's just a prop, right? I'll make the fork a separate object anyways, though. That's ready to go. Crap. This fork is not being mirrored. There we go. Okay, now how the heck does this fork work here? Bar shape. And 2 forks. Wheels are actually pretty exposed on the front here. See, I might have to change that up a bit. But for now, add cube, scale down. Move this to 0. And extrude. And extrude. And extrude. Delete the base. And line it right up to here. There we go. Move it right up against it. This doesn't seem like it's going to work out quite good here. What's this? Sticking through here. Okay. Now let's get the fork thingy on. A little bit skinnier. Ooh. There we go, that was like what we're waiting for there, the forks. Maybe order and scale on Y a little bit. Go. Yeah, it's actually Looks kind of bulky. Kind of bulky. Heck. What's going on here? Whoop. Up we go. Coolidge. Oh yeah, it looks better. And there's like a... Alt F4. No. This is a Toyota. Let's get the wheels on this bad boy. Add. Cylinder. Let's give it like 8 sides. 10 sides. Let's give it 8. 10, 8, 10. Let's give it 10. It's a wheel. X on the Y. 90. Oh god, what did I just do? Rotate on the Y, 90. Rotate on the X, 90. That's what I want. Whoa. Scale. Nope. Scale. There we go. 1. Shift X, Y. Some thick wheels. How did our reference image look here? What do the wheels look like on it? A lot lower. A lot bigger and lower, but we're cooler, so we're not going to make the wheels the same. Yeah, I will. I will separate the fork coverage. They're not going to be the exact same as the reference image, but that's okay. Close enough. Turn that off. Bring these out. They don't need to be that far in. Okay, it's got wheels now. Might they're a little too low pulley, I think, right now, but individual origins. We'll see. I might change them. That looks good for now. Okay, seat, steering wheel. Thrower and Unity. Actually, let's throw her in Unity right now just to see scale how it is. You know what I mean? File, export, FBX, fork, lift. Selected objects, yeah, export. We'll figure out the separating of the object in a bit. Forklift. Lift. Just make sure the scale looks okay before we move on anymore. I'm gonna park the forklift over here. Okay, okay, it's not bad. The normals need fixed. Do that. Recalculate normals. Export, bx, export. Hello? You know what? I think it's the material. Where'd our music go? Getting distracted here. There we go. It's getting dark in my room too. Sun's going down. You can still see me barely though. We still got 12 people here. I think I'll go a little bit longer, but I think we're getting bored of modeling here. Okay, what am I doing here? Material. Materials. Models. What am I doing? Materials. Should map. Yeah, that was a problem. But then I also need to, in Blender, recalculate the normals. UV. Projection. Material. Prototype. Call it forklift Herb. Name it Herb. Okay, we're gonna name this forklift Herb. Export. Okay, I'm okay with that. So should we put text on it that says Herb? Okay, let's do that. Definitely. I like that suggestion. Can you maybe stop modeling and code a grenade? Not right now. That's not on the plan. The plan right now is to get some props in this map. How do we think of this scale here? You know, actually, I guess to know, we gotta jump in the game here and stand beside it. They can make a little bit bigger, but not too much bigger. Although, it makes sense. It's a ship. It's okay if it's cramped, but yeah, I'm thinking a little bit bigger. Main menu here. Server is still running. Good. Yes, yeah, yes, yes, yeah. We all want it named Herb. Okay. Wee. I think before the end of the stream, we'll rebake the light map. So we'll have a few seconds of lag, but... Okay, so what do we think of the scale here? It's pretty... What do we think of the scale? I think a little bit bigger. I think the forks need to be a little bit wider. Tiny bit bigger, yeah. The forks need to be a little bit wider, I think, especially for like going under these pallets here. Like if I were to drive up here with this forklift. I think the forklift in general needs to be a little bit wider. Stick it in there. Yeah, definitely a little bit wider. I think just a little bit bigger in general, but yeah. Definitely wider though, it's too skinny. Okay, car body looks good though. Yeah, it definitely looks like if you look at that, you immediately think forklift, right? That's how you know that you've done a good model. If you look at it and you immediately can say what it is. I'd say that's good enough, especially low poly. Thick. Thick. Okay, but I think now this. Still stay skinny. Okay. This can come out a little bit more. And also scale on the Y a little bit more. Yeah, that's good, I think. Yeah, there we go. It's a little bit, he's a little more fatter. Okay. And then now let's just, yeah, it's gonna screw up. How the heck do I do this again? I think I gotta convert it into apply modifier first. Apply. I can just, oh, it's on individual origin, that would help. Scale it up a tiny bit, like say that much. Move it back up to the origin, which by the way this, oh no, wait. What about there? Now, just get rid of half of it. Add modifier. Mirror. On the Y. There you go. Maybe Z. I think that's good. Let's export it again. That's good, I think. You know, this could be like just a, you know, it's a smaller forklift. It's on a ship, right? So it's a little bit smaller forklift. But it's just gonna be parked. It's gonna be parked right here. Right here. And then, okay, wait. Be parked right here. And there we go. It's gonna be forklift, and it's gonna be like covered to shoot down that hallway or something like that. Yeah. It's gonna be a sniper spot. I'm feeling this is a sniper spot. Shoot people running down that hallway. Curb in every map. I don't know how if it would make sense in the Valley map, for example. So, but let's get that text on him, and let's get a seat on him, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do the text in Blender, I think, because why not? Where is the text? Add. Here we go. Text. Rotate on the X. Z. On the X. On the Y. No, on the Z. 90. Herb. And let's put him underneath. We parent him. How do I parent him under forklift again? Control P. Parent. I don't know how do you parent? Somebody tell me how you parent. Herb. Control J. Nope. Oh, I make the text to mesh at the end? Okay, yeah, that's what it is. And then I can just put it right as this model, right? Okay, let me figure it out here first. That everything good? Thinking right there on his back end. How do I convert it to a mesh? Oh, that's how you parent. Blender convert text to mesh. Let's see. It's not working. Blender 2.8 text to mesh. Either right click on the text object and then select convert to mesh, or from the object menu select convert to object. Convert to mesh. There we go. Whoa, that is some high res mesh. Oh boy. Anyways, there's the herb text. Oh boy, this might not have been a good idea. Yeah, fix that geometry. Why is the geometry so bad though? Try to undo. Undo. Go back to before herb existed. Restart. Add text. Rotate on the X. 90. Herb. Scale it down. Text. Extrude 0.02. I want to turn down the detail to like 4. If that, 3. Yeah, like 3. A little bit low poly, right? Now let's try it. Sad face from Tornado. Why sad? Okay, convert to... There we go, that's better. There we go, that's good. I like that. There we go. UV projection. There we go. We got Herb. I will, whoa, what is going on here? Oh, it's the mirror modifier. Crap. No, crap. Okay, you know what? This one I'm just gonna delete for now, and I will fix... Why is that so... I will rotate this later after I apply the mirror modifier. Okay. Cool. Okay. Seat. Add mesh cube. In edit mode. Add cube. Okay. Extrude. Back in this view. B here. G. Oh, well. Move this over. Move this over. Up here like that. Because the world center is strange. Huh? What is weird because of that? There we go. The mirror? Oh yeah, it's mirroring based off of, not the center of the world, it's mirroring based off the center of the object. Locally, it's mirroring locally. Like the steering wheel looks kind of weird, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. Seat. Add mesh cube. Crap. Edit mode. Add cube. Fill out. Scale Z. Scale. Like this. Scale on the X. Move this all to one side. 0. Go. Seat. Bottom. I already know what I'm doing here. We're making some sort of seat here. Okay. Take the knife out. Shing. Matches Y transform here. And give it a good extrude out here. Actually, it's totally lower this down here. And give it a good extrude out here. Hopefully it came out on quite the angle. Rotate on the X. No. Didn't Y. Yeah. Scale on Z. That looks really derpy. I'll have to tweak it for sure a few times here before it looks decent. Oops. Anyways, that's looking decent. Let's look at our reference here. My seat looks more fancy than some of these. Some of these got this big tank on the back. This one doesn't though. Anyways, steering wheel. You know what? I'm literally going to I'm gonna steal it from. Because I have a wheel over here. Just do this. And Control C. And go back over here. Turn off our reference image. We don't need that anymore. Control B. Oh no! Can't paste in Blender. What am I doing? Right. D. I don't know what I'm doing. Oof, the mirror modifier. Turn off the mirror modifier. Crap. Herb, what's up? Herb's getting the steering wheel installed. Yeah, it's looking too big here, so scale her down. Also looking kind of skinny. Let's make it a little bit less skinny for him here. Hello? I got these. Oh, there's not faces there. Well, that makes sense. Let's also make it scale on the X a little bit. There we go, more hunky. Okay. There we go. Kind of a big steering wheel, but there we go. How's that look with the reference image thing? Yeah, it's about the same size. Close enough. Recalculate normals, UV. There we go, fix the UVs. Now let's export this bad boy. Export FBX. Export the forklift. Look at it in Unity. And I think that's good for now. I'll tweak it a little bit more after on my own, but there we go. There's backwards Herb. There it says Herb. I'll fix this text once I'm done with the mirror stuff. Looking good, Herb. I agree. Get some more of these barrels on this side. Gas up Herb with. I don't know. Okay, apply all. Let's export this to the server, and then let's bake the light map so we can have a look at what we did for today. Because I'm about done, I think. With jet fuel. Mirrored on the X and Y or something. What are you talking about? What did I mirror? What? Not sure what you mean, Tornado. Oh, the Herb text? Oh yeah, it's being mirrored right now. I'll fix it. Yeah. Okay, maps. Prefabs. Plugins, that's plugins, this is prefabs. Maps. Ship map. Export package, export to the ship map on the server. Yes, replace it. Okay, close that. Bring the server over here. Go to the ship. Go to prefabs. Maps. Ship map. Import. Boom. You know what? I think I forgot to turn on. Ah, where's Herb? What? Herb? Herb did not come in. I didn't put Herb in the bloody crud. I didn't put him in the map. Dang it. Okay, let's restart that. Yeah, Herb. Look, Herb, right there. Herb! Obviously no texture yet, so you can barely see it, but okay. And the other thing I have to do is actually colliders for the forklift here, and I'm gonna make them exact because it's got open frame here. Models, maps, ship map, forklift, colliders, and light map UVs apply. There we go. Okay, let's try that again. Prefab maps, ship map, package export. Where did you come up with the name? You don't know? I like it. So we made it happen. Ship map, import, boom. Herb is in here now. Does he have a collision? Yes, he does. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, see, that's way too, we need that detail. Those guys, we don't need the detail. Everything's good here now. Okay, now let's go over to, get this back over here. Import Unity package. What just happened? No, cancel. Crap, scenes. That's what I did. I clicked. Okay, let's leg the stream for a second, I guess, and bake these light maps. It should be pretty quick. GPU. Yeah, let's. Don't freak out if the stream lags here for a minute. Just let me check so we don't have to do it twice here. Just make sure that these definitely have. Yeah, they all have UVs for light mapping. Yep, and yep. Okay, so now let's go to lighting. Let's click this magic button, and stream will probably start lagging. But it should only be lagging for about a minute or two. Yeah, it says 2 minutes. It's down to a minute. Out of curiosity, is it lagging? I'm getting the warning that it's lagging. A little bit. Yeah, like if I look around. So yeah, it was a good stream today. We had a high of 22 viewers. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Right now there's 12 viewers, so cool if you stuck around for the whole thing. We're just about to check out the end product for today. And yeah. How much did you make in total? What do you mean? Oh, from the donations? I don't even know how to check, to be honest. Oh, shoot. I think I just played an ad. Did I just play an ad? I think I might have just played an ad. No, it didn't play an ad? Okay, good. I clicked on a button and it said inserted ad. I thought that was like the donation check button. Maybe you guys have ad blockers. Yeah, an ad played? Crap. Okay, well, at least we know that works. I don't know how to check the... I'll let you know in Discord. I just clicked the button with a money symbol and I guess it played an ad. Aha. Give me your money. Okay. Didn't get an ad? You probably have an ad blocker. What? Oh, Why did the light bake? Wait. Oh, you know what would help? Is if, it would help if I had lights in the scene, wouldn't it? Crap. Lights. Turn them back on. And why are these this color? Ship prototype. What does this have? What does this have? universal runner pipeline lit. Okay, sorry about that. These have ship prototype. It says ship prototype, the exact same one. Why is it? Oh, crap. They're not static. I see. They're not static. Here we go. What do these have on them? They're fully static. Okay, right. Cargo, forklift, static. Yes, and their children. There we go. Okay, let's try it again. It's gonna lag for another two seconds. Yeah, I'm still alive, but we're done. I made a whole forklift. I'm just picking the lighting right now. How's it going? Well, Matt, you just joined for like the end product for the stream today. We're about to bake the lighting here. It's about to lag for a second. The lights are on, right? Yeah, the lights are on. Generate lighting. Hopefully you can still hear me. Pretty good timing, yeah. There you go, we can see the light. Real-time baking here. It's probably lagging. Can you guys still hear me? Hopefully. It's saying it's taking longer this time. Yeah, the stream is definitely choppy right now. Wonder why it's saying it's taking so much longer this time. Getting all the warnings right now. Let's get rid of this. Actually, no, I'll keep this. This forklift. Bring back on all the ship stuff. Running smoother now. Did it finish? No, it's still going. Must just not be doing something that's intensive right now. I think I killed it. Okay, it's almost done. I don't know if we're still actually broadcasting here. Whoa, lag fest. 50 seconds left. Okay, we're almost done. There's still 12 people here. Cool. We're back, almost. There we go, we're back. There we go, there's the lighting. Okay, we're back, right? Tell me if we're back here. I think we are. Let me know if we're back in the chat. Scenes. Main menu. Play. Make sure the server's running. Play. Okay, we're good, I think. Are we good? Okay, so I think the delay is really long now because of that. So yeah, the delay is really long, like a minute. The stream is like a minute behind. Anyways, capture the flag. 500. Ship, start game. Like I'm just seeing your yes and yes, we back in chat right now. So. 1, let's go. Let's go. Let's make it big. Continue. Yes, we're back. There we go. There we go. Oh, I gotta move that down and move it over here. But there we go. Oh, look at Herb. You can barely see his text over there, but it's over there. Oh, I need to. Oh no, the collision's there. It's Herb. I should give 2. Herb. Ooh, I need to fix the lighting. That's weird. On the like tinted. Have to look into that. There we go. Here's the storage room. I gotta add more storage, obviously, but there we go. Good cover. Got a nook here. Sniper down there. Sniper scope really does not look good indoors, so I gotta figure out why that is. I can see Herb definitely being like a sniper perch right here. This right here. It's definitely a sniper spot. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, I think the stream's catching up now. Cool. Okay. So, yeah, that's what we did today. Thank you to everybody that joined the stream. There's 15 people who are here right now. You just joined. We're actually about to just end. We've been streaming for 3 hours and a half, so that's a pretty long time. What we did is we basically made this room look more like a room, less like a box. Can you shoot through the boxes? No. Just collision. Can't go through the boxes, can't shoot through the boxes. I gotta fix where that flag is, but other than that, yeah. Here's Herb. Text is backwards on this side. Let's pretend that's not it. That's gonna be a hot spot here. Perfect. Okay. So thanks to everybody for joining today. Make sure to join the Discord if you want to see how this progresses. I'm obviously gonna add more of these pallets and stuff around. But yeah, thanks for joining me this afternoon. And I hope to see you in the next live stream or my next update video. I have sounds? Yes, I do. Anyways, say your goodbyes in chat because I'm heading out. How are you handling tracers/bullets? Do they come from your camera? No, they come from the end of the barrel. It's just a particle system that goes to, it's kind of not realistic, it goes to the hit point. I mean the small gap. These ones, no. These ones, yes. See the particles hit the back wall. Yippers. And I gotta fix this tint in the scope. I don't know why it's doing that. So yeah. Thank you for joining me for the stream. That is it for today. Bye-bye, pistol. Another successful afternoon of working on the ship map. And only us loyal people will know about the sweet bot. Ah, yes. Okay, see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Zippy is out. See ya. See ya.